Can an injunction stop ongoing IP infringement? Imagine you've created a product, a brand, or a piece of art, and someone else is using it without permission. You might wonder, can a court step in and stop this right away? The answer is yes, but it depends on the situation. An injunction is a court order that can make someone stop doing something immediately. When it comes to intellectual property infringement, courts can issue injunctions to prevent ongoing violations of patents, trademarks, copyrights, or trade secrets. These orders are designed to protect your rights and stop the infringing activity quickly. There are two main types of injunctions. The first is called a preliminary or temporary injunction. This is issued early in a case to stop the infringing activity while the case is still being decided. To get a preliminary injunction, you need to show that you are likely to win the case, that you will suffer harm if the order is not granted, and that stopping the infringement is in the public interest. Courts also look at whether the harm to you outweighs any harm the infringer might face. The second type is a permanent injunction. This is granted after the court has fully decided the case and found that infringement did happen. It orders the infringer to stop the activity permanently. Courts consider whether damages are enough to compensate for the harm or if stopping the activity is necessary to protect your rights. For patents and trademarks, courts usually want proof that you will suffer irreparable harm if the infringement continues. This means harm that cannot be fixed with money alone. If you own a copyright, courts often grant injunctions more easily once infringement is proven. Injunctions are meant to be effective and serve as a warning to others. Courts can include penalties if the infringer does not obey the order. The scope of an injunction can be broad, covering all infringing acts within the court's jurisdiction. Getting an injunction is not automatic. You need to present strong evidence and meet specific legal standards. It's a key part of protecting your intellectual property rights. If successful, an injunction can stop ongoing infringement and help prevent future violations. In business, this means you can act quickly to protect your brand, inventions, or creative works. Whether you seek a temporary order to stop the activity early or a permanent one after winning your case, injunctions are powerful tools to defend your intellectual property.